Gerald, I would say he is hilariously anxious. He's always worried about things. He does take a while to warm up, but when he does, he just goes fully into it. And I think that has a lot to do with the relationship that he has with Piggie.
Anything is possible.
Piggie brings out a lot of the adventure out of him. This story is about two friends that happen upon an adventure that he does not think is the best idea.
No!
But realizes that through doing something new, he can learn about patience. He can learn that new things are not always bad things, and learn that he can trust himself a little bit more because he has his friends and family backing him up always. And I think that everybody that comes to see this, regardless of their age, is going to really enjoy it.
In the room.